Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
The nerve.
Your next stop is the hospital! Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
Why don't you give up? The mountain rescue team's after you too!
Those two punks, I already took care of them.
I brought all those things because I knew something would happen. You don't know anything.
How did they do it? These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's on.
Hey, McQueen, you all right? Listen, don't you worry, pal. You had a good run.
Sustainable organic biofuel just because I never trusted Axelrod. You're dead wrong.
I'm having a tornado in the trailer park.
My GPS is saying I have slow traffic in my way.
road. Faith, drop and give me 20 miles. Go, 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 go. Go!
Man!
No, you don't know what you want. Luigi, know what you want.
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.
Well, it's complicated. I have a billion fans, and they're all expecting me to win.
Maybe the...
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last. Ah, back it up. Real fun.
My name is Mater. My name is Mater. Mater.
Spy or not, you're still the smartest, most honest chap we've ever met.
Don't forget, massively charming.
I hereby dub thee.
Oh, number 7 is loose. Shoot Todoroki.
These coaches are so light, I can go as fast as I want. Woohoo! Big win.
Customers! Customers, everyone! Customers! Okay! Customers! All right, everybody calm down for a moment!
Act civilized. We got. Perché devo fare sta cosa?
Guido, just a shade
¡Mate! Entonces, ¿estos tractores de dónde vienen?
Sterling, why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire.
What do
do you think? Radiator Springs looks pretty good on me.
Signorina Sally. It is official. Lightning McQueen is the luckiest car in the world.
Spinning dragon attack!
Todos, gracias. Niñito, el primero en California se queda con Tainoco, todo para él.
Ah, no, como...
Man, I can't wait to get rocking. This is gonna be wicked. Yeah, we should do.
Was McQueen's idea. He felt HUD would have wanted you to have it.
I love.
Word, sweet pea. My baby Ramon can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problem.
You missed a spot? Sure, right there. In the hood, right?